In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your avatar on chess.com quickly and easily. Whether you want to update your profile picture, personalize your account, or just give your profile a fresh new look, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to chess.com, then log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which represents your settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open up your settings menu. From here, you'll want to select the option that says All Settings. This takes you to the full settings page where you can manage everything related to your account. Now that you're in the settings area, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see several options listed there. Find and click on Profile. This is where all your personal profile information is stored, including your avatar. Once you're on the profile page, you'll see your current avatar or profile picture displayed. Now, hover your mouse over that image. As you do this, a small camera icon with a plus symbol will appear. Go ahead and click on that camera icon. This is the option that allows you to upload a new avatar. After clicking it, a file selection window will pop up. From here, simply choose an image file from your computer that you want to use as your new avatar. Make sure it's a clear image and ideally square shaped for the best results. Once you select your image, it will upload automatically and update your profile picture. And just like that, your new avatar is now live on your chess.com profile. It's a really quick process, but it makes a big difference in how your profile looks to others. If you ever want to change it again, just follow the same steps and upload a new image anytime. Before we wrap up, remember that having a recognizable and clean avatar can make your profile stand out more in games and forums, so it's definitely worth updating. And that's it. You've successfully changed your avatar on chess.com. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.